With limited analytics capabilities, financial teams deliver fragmented insights, falling short of meeting enterprise planning needs. Key decisions around investments, operations, lack data-driven guidance, bridging historical performance to projected scenarios and returns across options. Leadership questions, the function's value and viability for growth support without analytics depth. Our immersive program equips business analytics fluency to unlock intelligence-guiding decisions at all levels. Attendees garner expertise building models, translating analysis into planning support and communicating data stories to sway strategy consideration. Hands-on cases reinforce techniques demonstrating analytics value to earn high-stakes growth planning seats. With new analytics versatility, finance strategy is elevated, central to growth initiatives armed with quantitative validation in boardrooms. Enabled teams move organizations forward through expert sequencing of historical indicators to projected returns grounded in modeled assumptions and guarded advice, steering leadership priorities with enhanced returns. Register today to realize high-value analytics, differentiating modern finance teams from stale reporting of the past, delivering intelligence and guardrails guiding enterprise growth decisions with credibility.